gluten-free sprouted rolled oats from 1 Degree. Let me show you how I use this for my afternoon snack. These oats are excellent for baking too, and a lot quicker than the steel cut oats. 0 cholesterol and 4 grams of fiber. The recipe calls for 3/4 cup liquid. I like using a cup because I like it more on the wet side. I'm using 1 cup of organic apple cider, but you can use water. I'm going to bring it to a boil and then add 1/3 cup of oats. As you can see, it's coming to a rolling boil. I'm going to turn it down. That was on medium high. I'm going to add my 1/3 cup of oats, dash of cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon, and I don't measure. And this is dried blueberries and cranberries. I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to put it on the lowest setting. Put my double lids on my Donabe. I like the holes to go east and west. And then the top one, I put the bottom hole on south. I'm going to let that go for 5 minutes. I'm going to cut off the heat and let it sit 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, even a half hour. I do this all the time. I really like this for an afternoon snack. This is what it looks like at 5 minutes. I use extra apple cider because it will absorb, and I eat half now and half later, and when it sits in the refrigerator, it really gets thick. So I like it more on the soupy side to begin with. I'm going to shut off the heat, let it sit 20 minutes. Donabe, which is clay, will keep it very hot. It's been 20 minutes later. Heat off. See how nice it's already thickened up? And it still has the steam in it 20 minutes later, and it's outside and it's 48 degrees out. So this Donabe really keeps it hot. And the reasons I put the fruit in this way, I don't have to add extra sugar. I'm gonna let it sit in, half of it sit in the refrigerator, and when I take it out next time, I'll show you. That's just perfect. Here it is the next day. I just wanted to show you, see how thick it is? If it didn't have that extra 1/4 cup, it would be really thick. Actually, it was 1 serving, but I split it into 2. I'll have this at my 3 o'clock break today. But if I didn't add that extra liquid, it would be so thick. I can't eat it like that. This way, I can just heat it up, and I really don't have to add any more liquid. Here's Tassie. She always knows when I'm out here filming. She gets on my door. And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the afternoon, cup of joe, and enjoy watching my girls. There's all 5 of them. Definitely feels like a spring day on the mountain. Enjoying it. What are you doing today? What's the weather like in your area? Please subscribe, hit that bell, all notification, and this is Jersey saying see you on the next video.